My name is Matt Mills, owner of Hybrid Technologies in Orlando, Florida. And we specialize in hybrid full mouth restoration. So as a startup company, there's three major things that I think about when making a purchase, and it's affordability, speed, and accuracy. So as a digital laboratory, I have to have a portal for them to send the scans to. And for the longest time, I would have to outsource that file to get printed before I could even start on my case. So with the NextDent 5100 in the laboratory, I can print the models, mill the crowns, sinter the crowns, all simultaneously. In a matter of 2 to 3 days, my ceramist is already finishing the case. And so that's a game changer. So when I got my printer here in the laboratory, it was like Christmas. We set it up in 15 minutes. That's no joke. 15 minutes out of the box, and it's printing. 3D Sprint software allows me to load my files and send them to the printer in a matter of minutes. You used to have to preview every slice of the print job, and that sometimes can be 700 slices. Being able to use the 3D Sprint software with confidence and knowing that it's making all of those decisions for me is definitely an added benefit. The Model 2.0 material polishes up really nicely. And so I've had doctors call me after I send them a wax up and they say, is this white wax? Did you hand wax this at the bench? No, doc, I 3D printed it. That's a digital wax up and I polished it. It is such a robust machine that as a small business owner, I know I'm going to get my worth out of it and I know it's going to pay itself off very quickly. When I design a wax up and I 3D print it, that goes to the doctor for the doctor to sell the case and say, this is what we can do for you. And when a patient is buying in on a $50,000 or $60,000 treatment plan, they want to see what they're going to get. It used to be the more accurate the mill, the better it's going to fit in the mouth. Now it's not, was the mill accurate? It's the printer is accurate. For me to design something, I need to make sure that's exactly what goes in the mouth. And with the NextDent, it's every time.